In this video, I'll be reviewing the Fintie case for the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 from 2022. I got it on Amazon and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to get it. So let's get started. Well, first, the case came in this very basic packaging, a simple plastic bag, nothing out of the usual here. The case, as you expect, is plastic. Here it has a small leather, I would say, imitation. Very nicely done, I think. When you open the case up, the inside is soft. So this is great since it will not scratch your tablet when it's inside. That's the point, no, of having a case. On this side, you have the small Fintie logo. And on the back, it's the same texture as on the front, the small leather imitation with a cutout for the camera. So let's put it inside so you have a better idea how both looks. To put it inside, you just need to align, make sure that the camera hole here matches where the camera is on your tablet. And as on any other case, you just need to press it down each corner, make sure it's secure, and you're done. You can just close the front cover this way, and when you open up, this is what I like about this case, is that it will wake up the screen. So I'll do it again. When you close it, the screen goes to sleep. When you open it, it's back there. So I think this is a very useful feature. Most cases have it, but just in case you were wondering if this one has it, yes, it does. On the inside here, the corner, I know it's hard to see, but the borders here are slightly raised. Okay, so if you, I don't think you'll put it, but if the tablet falls down this way, well, the screen is a bit protected. I know the lip is not that big, but the screen is not supposed to touch the surface since it's raised. Apart that, the cutout for the buttons are big here. Very easy to access them. Same thing with the charging port here, and the speakers are not covered. The headphone jack is over here. I wish there was maybe more protections here. They could have put some plastic here, but they decided to give us a big cutout. I guess it works. On the top side, the same thing. The speakers are not covered. This is great. And if you want to access the memory card slot while the tablet is in the case, well, it's still available here. That's very nice that it's not covered. So you can just pop out a new SD card to have more memory. And my favorite part of this case is obviously the way that it can act as a stand for your tablet. The first thing you need to do is, let me show you this way, bend this part so it makes a triangular, like that. And since there's magnets, it will stay clipped very easy. It won't come off. I really like this. And all you have to do is to put it on the back of the tablet, put it on the table, and voila. I prefer a lot more this type of case compared to the other case where when you fold it, you have like some kind of small tray here. I don't know how to say, but I like the system of this one. It's very intuitive and easy to put it back as it was. I really like, and then you can use it this way. If you want to use it vertically, I don't think it's a good idea with this case, but it will still work, as you can see. It's a bit flimsy. I feel the tablet can easily fall. I won't use it this way. To put it back, you just need to do this and you're done. So my personal opinion is that it's a great value. I honestly don't know why you will pay more for a basic case like this, since I think this one does the job. I never dropped it yet, so I can't say how well the tablet will be protected if you smash it on the ground, but fortunately I won't have to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. I'll put again a link in the description down below on Amazon if you want to get this one or maybe another one. This is an affiliate link. It helps my channel. And well, thanks for watching.